Welcome back to my channel. Today also we are going to continue the tally classes. Today we are going to discuss current liabilities. Current liability has 4 to 5 categories, that is statutory liabilities, minor liabilities, current that is duties and taxes, and sundry creditors. I am going to enter the same details to everything. Statutory liabilities. Okay, here we are going to select current liability. If you can type C, you will get the current liabilities. You will get many options. You can select among that any amount you can enter. Next comes minor liability. That is also current liability. Some amount I am going to enter here. And next is duties and taxes. Current liability, some amount I just enter. Okay, and next is sundry creditor. Okay, so that is also under the current liability. I just put some amount here. We'll continue the duties and taxes in the next class. Thank you.